Hello guys, so today I have for the review couple items. It's gonna be flashlight, LED, and a pump to pump the tires, your balls, for the bicycles, for like anything that have a air. So I have for a test today Infinity. I don't know what kind of model it's my little brother's car. So here's the flashlight, and it have a charger, and have a small kind of a booklet of what is it, how it works. It's pretty easy. So what do we know about it? It's Type-C charging. It's waterproof, water resistant. Have so much about it, but okay. So there is a charging port right here. So here we go. Let me get the light on. Light is on. So here is the charging port, USB-C. Here is the button to turn it on, and here is the magnet. There is light here, there is light here, and emergency light. Also it's magnet, so you press one time, there is light here, and then light here. So one time, oh wow, my camera is glitching. And then you pressing the other, it's not bright. You press one more time, it's brighter, and one more time it's even brighter. And emergency lights. You can get in trouble by using it. Yeah, and another time, click, oh, car went to sleep. Yeah, so you can put it any car, like if you're changing tires or something, just put it on, get the light on, put it on, and you can work on the tires. Can stick to anywhere. It's carbon fiber, so just work on tires, put anywhere. So today we're gonna work on a tire. We will use our compressor. How about if I'll do this? I'll put this thing, whoops, I'll put it here. Yeah, it will work good. So let's work on a air pump now. So there is a manual, there is a charging, USB to USB-C type. What do we have else? So we have bunch of add-ons for the balls to pump it, like basketball or like a mattress or something, but we will work on the tire today. So very easy install. So we screw this part right here, just like so, tight it, and here we go. So it have a flashlight too. There is a USB-C charging right here. Just boom and charge it. To turn it on, it's easy. Just hold it and waking up. So there is a percentage, the battery percentage right here, and there is an option. So right now it's bike, so we can put I think it's motorcycle. This is the ball. Here's the car. On a car we can do it's in bars, but for USA, we need to do press 2 buttons. Nope. Yeah, for USA I need to find out the way to change it for USA and standard, but I will put in a description of what we can do. Either push the button or something, because I don't really know. Need to go to the manual, or there is where's the button for the light? It says sus. So one time just flashlight, or 2 like emergency or something. Yeah. Okay, so with our flashlight, let's go ahead and see how many psi do we need to put it on. So right here it says 50 psi right here. So this tire is 50 psi. Let's put our light and do the 50 psi. So let's do the 50 psi. So if we do the calculator, 50 psi, it's 3.44 bar right here. So let's get our pump. 340, basically 345. So let's get our pump, and for the bars we need to put like 350. Let's get this thing out. So right now it have a 1.3, and we need to do 3.5. So it will do 3.5. So I just talked to my brother, and he said that he don't put here all 50 psi because this is for the maximum weight. So he usually only put like 30, so it's about like 1.8. So it's already 1.75. So let's put 180 and press power. Whoops, wrong way. So let's just wait till 1.85. Oh, yeah. So 1.85. So when it's actually done pumping, like, so for example, let's put like 1.9. So you will see when it's going to that psi, it actually stop out automatically. So it's seeing that it's like 1.75, 1.8. So let's do like 1.9. So it's supposed to be pumped to that, and it will stop. Okay, so see how fast it goes from 1.8 to 1.9, like really quick. So it's pumping really fast, and yep, this is it. Easy in, out. Put our thingy back. Let's turn it off, and we're good to go to use for the other times. There is a charging cable if you need to charge it, right here. And when you're not using it, just unscrew and just put in your glove box or anywhere, and you can bring it home and charge it, or charge it from car. But this is it. So we have a charger and light. And this light, my brother will like it, definitely will like it. We do. Looks like undercover cop, huh? I think I should get from him, because he will get in trouble, definitely. Yeah, but this is it, guys. So this was the review for the flashlight and air pump, and I will leave the information about the pump and the light in the description below, that you can order on Amazon or the website. Yeah, enjoy it.